Needing a hot pot? Whether it's for family dinners, fun nights with friends, or just a cozy meal at home, the right hot pot can completely change your cooking experience. It's all about sharing, flavor, and convenience. But finding the perfect one isn't always easy. That's why in this video, we've tested and selected the top 3 best hot pots that deliver great performance, easy cleaning, and authentic taste. In the third, I tested the Starfrit electric hot pot, and it genuinely surprised me with how practical and enjoyable it was to use. Right out of the box, it gives off a sturdy, well-built impression, thanks to its die-cast aluminum body, Tech non-stick surface, which feels premium and resists sticking even after several uses. The design immediately stands out because of its dual compartment feature, something I found extremely useful during testing. It allows you to cook 2 different broths simultaneously, which completely changes the dining experience. Whether you want a spicy broth on one side and a light vegetable, or miso broth on the other, the pot handles both with ease and maintains the heat evenly between them. The tempered glass lid is also a nice addition, letting you keep an eye on the cooking process while retaining heat and moisture perfectly. Performance-wise, the hot pot heats up fast with its power and the adjustable temperature control, though I did notice that even the lowest setting can sometimes be a little too hot, keeping the broth at a near boil instead of a gentle simmer. The 3-liter capacity is great for small family meals or intimate gatherings with friends, though it might feel a bit small if you're trying to host a larger dinner. I also liked how the pot's base stays cool to the touch while cooking, a thoughtful safety feature, especially for table use. Cleaning it was simple, and the non-stick surface performed impressively, but after several washes, I noticed that some light stains tend to remain, if not cleaned right away. During my tests, I tried cooking a variety of ingredients: thinly sliced beef, vegetables, noodles, and tofu, and the results were consistent and flavorful. The heat distribution across both compartments was even, ensuring everything cooked perfectly without burning. The dual flavor setup also made the meal more fun, as everyone at the table could dip and cook what they liked without mixing flavors. The only real downside, apart from the slightly aggressive heat levels and small capacity, is that the hot pot might not suit very large portions if you're planning big gatherings. Overall, after testing it thoroughly, I can confidently say that the Starfrit hot pot offers incredible value for its price range. It's easy to use, easy to clean, and perfect for bringing the authentic hot pot experience into your home. Whether you're looking for a cozy dinner with family or a fun evening with friends, this model delivers warmth, convenience, and a touch of restaurant-style enjoyment right on your table. Secondly, I tested the Dezan Hot Pot Electric, and it quickly became one of my favorite mid-range models for family-style hot pot dinners. From the moment I unboxed it, I could tell that the build was designed with convenience in mind. The pot feels well-balanced and not too heavy, and the S-shaped divider immediately caught my attention. It's cleverly designed to completely separate 2 different broths without leaking or mixing. During my tests, I prepared a classic spicy broth on one side and a mild mushroom broth on the other, and the separation was flawless from start to finish. The pot heats up very quickly, reaching boiling point within just a few minutes thanks to its powerful heating system, and maintains consistent heat throughout the cooking process. I especially like the 3 power settings that allow you to adjust the temperature for simmering, stir-frying, or keeping the broth hot during the meal. Its 6-liter capacity is another major advantage. It's large enough to comfortably feed a family of 4 to 6 people. The non-stick coating performs excellently, preventing food from sticking even after long cooking sessions, and it makes cleaning a breeze once you're done eating. The hot pot is also detachable, which makes it much easier to carry to the sink and clean thoroughly, something I found quite practical. The tempered glass lid allows you to monitor your ingredients without lifting it constantly, helping retain both heat and aroma. The handles do tend to get warm after extended use, so you'll need to handle them with care. And indeed, Some customer reviews mention that under prolonged high heat sessions, the handles may slightly deform or melt, which is definitely one of its weak points. Another minor drawback is that the pot's outer shell, while sleek, feels a bit thin compared to more premium models, raising some concerns about long-term durability. Performance-wise, though, it's impressive. The even heat distribution ensures that ingredients cook consistently on both sides of the divider. The silicone ladles included are a thoughtful touch. They're heat-resistant and comfortable to use throughout the meal. I also noticed that the hot pot's ventilation holes and anti-slip rubber feet help with safety and stability, preventing overheating or sliding on smooth surfaces. After using it several times, I can confidently say that the Dezan Hot Pot Electric strikes a very good balance between performance, convenience, and affordability. It's fast heating, efficient, easy to clean, and offers an enjoyable dual flavor experience that feels close to dining out at a real hot pot restaurant. The only areas where it could improve are its handle durability and outer build thickness. But for the price point, those are relatively small compromises. Overall, if you're looking for a spacious, family-friendly electric hot pot that delivers consistent results and a fun, social dining experience, this model is definitely a solid choice that won't disappoint. And to finish, first of all, I tested the Food Party Hot Pot, and this one truly stands out for its versatility and fun factor. It's not just a hot pot, it's also a smokeless grill, meaning you can switch from simmering broth to searing skewers without needing two separate appliances. The design is modern, compact, and surprisingly elegant, making it ideal for both small apartments and larger family kitchens. When I first turned it on, the heating system impressed me immediately. It heats up very quickly and distributes heat evenly across both the hot pot and the grill sections. The dual independent temperature controls are a great touch. They allow you to fine-tune the heat separately for boiling broth on one side and grilling meat or vegetables on the other, which made my test dinner both efficient and enjoyable. The non-stick aluminum surface performed well, and even after multiple rounds of grilling, nothing stuck or burned. I particularly appreciated how it could handle multiple cooking modes: hot pot, grilling, and even light stir-frying. The 2.5-liter capacity might seem modest at first, but it's actually perfect for up to 4 people, offering just the right size for a cozy meal without feeling bulky. I also like the included safety features, such as the BPA-free construction and the surge protector recommendation, which helps prevent overheating or short-circuiting. The temperature settings are intuitive, with 5 adjustable speed levels, giving you full control over how quickly your food cooks. The hot pot is deep enough to accommodate a flavorful broth and plenty of ingredients, while the grill side handles skewers, dumplings, or slices of meat beautifully without producing much smoke. However, there are a few drawbacks to note. The unit can be a little tricky to clean, particularly around the dividing edges between the grill and the pot, where grease tends to accumulate. I also noticed that while the heating power is strong, it might take a bit of time for the temperature to stabilize if you're switching between boiling and grilling simultaneously. Some users might find it a little large for compact kitchens, while others could see the pot as small if they're cooking for more than 4 people, so it really depends on your household size. After several uses, though, I can confidently say the Food Party Hot Pot delivers on its promise of versatility, fun, and performance. It's an all-in-one device that makes group meals interactive and lively. Whether you're preparing a Korean BBQ night, a Chinese-style hot pot dinner, the heat control is precise, the cooking results are consistent, and it brings an undeniable restaurant-style experience right to your dining table. Overall, despite the slight cleaning inconvenience, it's a top choice for anyone looking to combine the joy of communal dining with the practicality of modern cooking. And there you have it, 3 of the best hot pots you can get right now, each bringing its own flavor of convenience, power, and fun to your table. Whether you're cooking solo or hosting friends, these models make every meal feel like a shared celebration. If you are interested in the product, the link is in the description. But above all, subscribe to not miss the next videos. See you soon.